know the remote thing that they use inside to activate it? This?
Yeah.
Now these guys are very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Yeah. And they are well armed.
Yeah, that's why I told this guys they must be very careful about who comes to come and view this car. Because these guys will come and try and take it back. And this is the important tool of their
Yeah, of their trade.
So that's why these things comes from the companies that are contracted.
Yeah, contracted to
do this work.
Okay, yeah.
Because it looks exactly the same,
Yeah.
even with the saturation.
That's why I say these stickers they get from the companies that does this mark.
Because you'll stop when you stop.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. And you won't hesitate to stop.
We are in trouble. We are in trouble. Exactly the same.
One day they will take it.